Hi guys, we're looking forward to welcoming you back. We are going to be opening our doors here in just a few days, and in preparation for that, there are some things that we want you to know that have changed. First of all, when you arrive, our valet service is not active in the way that it was before. You won't bring your car underneath the awning. You'll park in the normal spot, and we're actually going to have some carts that will come to you and bring you to the door if you choose. If you don't want them, wave them off, have a nice day, enjoy the sun, and walk on in. When you come to the entrance, we will be screening you, checking your temperature, and talking to you about any symptoms that you might have from recent illness. Once you've answered those questions, you'll come on into the hospital and up to cardiopulmonary rehab as you always have. The first day that you're here for exercise, we will be giving you a name badge identifier. We'll have your name, the class time, and the destination to where you're going so that the folks at the door will be able to help direct you and get you into the building without any problems.
Hi guys, we're so excited to welcome you back. We do ask that you remain patient with us as our processes have changed quite a bit. As you can see, I'm here in front of employee fitness, and that's where you guys are going to be exercising. We do ask that you try to be as prompt as you can with your arrival time. We have limited seating here in the lobby. The door will be open and you will be greeted by staff members. However, we have limited class sizes, and just to allow for social distancing, we're asking that you guys make sure that you keep your mask on and use your hand sanitizer as you enter. We will have to limit some amenities that you guys have grown to love and enjoy. You guys that used to love sitting at the tables drinking your coffee together, we're going to have to hold off on that. It's not going to be allowed. Okay, you will come straight in, come into the employee fitness and do your exercises. No socializing out here in the lobby. And hopefully one day we can get back to enjoying that again.
Hey guys, so as you know, we're going to be exercising in employee fitness, and so you guys will be using the employee fitness locker rooms, which are right here. Inside there are lockers. There are no locks on them. There are no keys like we had on the other side. So if you want to lock something up, just bring your own lock. In the employee fitness area, we have tons of equipment for you guys to use. And we have it social distance so that you guys won't be on top of each other while exercising. We are going to limit our class sizes to 25 people at a time. So that means every hour we're only going to be able to have 25 people in the room at a time. But we're also going to offer group classes as well for an additional 10 people.
Hey guys, we're so excited to welcome you back. There will be some changes with patient-clinician interactions. We won't be taking your blood pressure before and after exercise, but we will be taking it depending on if you're presenting signs that need your blood pressure taken. We will also be keeping track of your exercise prescription logs and your attendance, so you do no longer have to worry about that. We will be fully staffed over here on the employee fitness side to help you guys get familiar with your new workout environment. We are so excited to have you guys back, and we are taking all the necessary precautions to keep you and us safe.
You will be asked to wear a face covering when you come to the hospital. If you have your own cloth mask, you're invited to use it, though we do have some that we will provide for you at the door. When you're in the exercise facility, we're going to ask that you wear your mask also. However, when you're on an individual piece of equipment and you're actually exercising, you will be invited to take the mask off if it's necessary. Our staff will help guide you on when and where it's appropriate to wear a mask and when it's okay to take it off. Well, I hope you found this information helpful, and we're excited to have you guys back. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to us. There is a mailing that will be coming to you with a little fact sheet of our frequently asked questions and some of the basic information that we've covered. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at 423-495-7422, and we'll see you soon.